Hello, my name is Adil Hassan, Chaudhry Adil Hassan, and my ID is 08036756. My project is Traveling Pulse, which is basically built for the TravelMate, and which is basically TravelMate application, and it helps to those who wants to travel with each other, and it helps to communicate. It helps to uh, to the persons who have the car, and the other client who do not want to travel on the bus or train, and he also for looking for the uh, other conveyance. So the person who has a car, and sometime there are thousands of persons who are traveling from one place to another. So um, there are other category of the persons who needs to travel daily or weekly basis to drive to long far away, like Wales, Ireland, or some other places. So in this type of traveling, huge cost occurs. So definitely they wants to um, they are looking for uh, the the cheapest way to go there to reduce their expenses. The person who share their expenses. So this application basically helps them to share their plans to other people, the common people. The other clients who also wants to go that place, like one person who daily or weekly he goes to Wales or Ireland, let's say Wales. um, Definitely uh, he drive for a long time and expense and spend a lot of money on that traveling. So he will broadcast his plan uh, on this application basically, and the client who also have this application, he will search out the such kind of person who also going from one place to another. I mean from London to Wales. So for their suitable time. So if he looks that the other person who has a car, and his plan is suitable for him, so he can contact him to go with him, and both can negotiate with each other. So they can go with them with each other. This application actually um, helps a lot of uh, social and um, builds social relations, friendships, and other things as well. So here I am uh, on the application. Let's say I have a username Adil, the password test. I'm going to log in the system, the application. Here I am. This is the main menu of the application. Uh, the login process, which I was just going through this. This is the login file, login code. So the database I have on this server, and basically there are uh, three portions, you can say. One is database, other second thing is PHP files, PHP scripting, which helps to communicate with this software, which helps to communicate with the database. Um, Actually, basically, this application contact to the PHP files, like this file, and this file will communicate with the server, which has the database. So my username and password uh, via HTTP request will goes to this file. This file will login.php will generate such kind of XML with the query uh, for the database to log into the system. So once a request goes to this application will generate that XML file. So vice versa, when request comes from this file or from PHP file um, to the application, the same procedure will applies here. It will generate the same pattern and send back to this application via the URL. So for the Java, there is sex parser, which is used to understand the whole the code data to show to the application. So just explaining the process, how it is going. These are the text boxes, user and password, and the button. When I press the button to that, okay, this is my username and password. So it goes to the variables, and these variables will further goes to to this if statement, where the further login process will start. So if I do not give any password, let's say I'm running it again. If I do not give any user or password, it will ask me that please enter user and password. If I give the both user and password, it will execute the do login function. Further do login function will process and generate HTTP request to send into the URL, to the server via URL. So this is basically the process of generating um, HTTP request for the client. So till here the input stream is ready to send to the server. So the request, all the user and password is collected into the NVPS name value pair variable, and further it process to the